I guess I'll buy now. Dear diary, I lost everything again. And that's how most people trade. No, not most people, but we've all been there until recently. You see, here are some lines that I drew, okay? So this is the current, any given altcoin market. It goes up and it goes down. But then I was using Elliott wave theory, Fibonacci retracement lines, you name it. And I came up with this. Okay, what we can expect in the future is the moon. And that works for any given altcoin. Not going for it? No? Okay. Let me try and actually give you something that's actually useful. UPBit, a Korean exchange, has just launched Vertcoin for Bitcoin trading. As of speaking right now, it's the 6th highest trading by volume. There exists no pairing of Vertcoin for Korean won just yet, but it's in the works. Could we expect to see a pump? Because Koreans do like their crypto. How much of their enthusiasm was spurred by tensions in the country? Probably a lot. One thing I will say about Bitcoin Gold is that it's raised awareness of why ASIC resistance coins like Vertcoin are really good. This has led to me speculating whether or not some of that altcoin market boom that's to be expected when Bitcoin falls from its high dominance and some of the money that's in Bitcoin goes back to the altcoins, if Vertcoin wouldn't be one of them. Here, I don't know. I think so, but I don't know. Let's look into some reasons why, or why people think ASIC resistance is a good idea. Remember, Vertcoin is like the premier one of it. So ASIC mining is centralized to data centers operated by professionals, which make it less decentralized consensus. It pushes out regular users from mining, and essentially they can charge whatever they like because demand for them is high. NavPay is another interesting coin, which the team behind it have been hard at work creating mobile payment solutions, mobile wallets. I still feel it's kind of early for this stuff, but at least they're trying to be first in the market. They've got a public beta release. Their wallet is supported on Windows, Apple, Android, Linux. They're stating that their wallet is the first in the world to have optional private payments. Technically, they're second, but optional, I guess, yes, they are the first. Let me give you some lists of who potentially you should be following when you're looking into cryptocurrency. There's an excellent article on CoinDesk, link below. They're ranking their analysts in a top 5 format. They're traders in a top 5 format they're usually on Twitter. I think these guys are worth following, especially some of the ones with the biggest followers. Essentially, if, for example, this guy, Crypto Hustle, with nearly 30,000 followers, he tweets about some obscure investment opportunities in the industry. I'm not stating you can definitely make money following these guys, but it's interesting. If you have a large enough audience and you tell them to buy a coin, sometimes they do. I don't really like to do that because some of you guys watching me are going to be the ones buying in at the all-time high after a correction. So I struggle with that, but it's a fine line. The larger a group gets, the more safe it is, potentially. I don't know. To my American viewers specifically, thank you for watching. Remember though that B2X wants you out. I am of course referring to their announcement that they're needing to close for US customers. You have until tomorrow to withdraw your digital tokens. This announcement linked below as well. So yes, regarding B2X coins, let's talk about who's supporting them, what you need to know. Here's a list of exchanges that are going to give you the B2X coins. This is the easiest way to get the coins. The safest way is to have your own personal wallet, for example, a Bread wallet, Ledger, Trezor. There will be statements on how to manually claim your B2X coins using these platforms. All this infrastructure lends it to be an altcoin and not the new Bitcoin. This is pretty funny. Well, that gets rid of the content I recorded earlier. SegWit2x is cancelled. Due to lack of consensus, an email was written by the CEO and co-founder of Bitcoin wallet software provider BitGo, one of the leaders of the SegWit2x project, arguing that the scaling proposal is too controversial to move forward. First of all, it's great. It is great. Wow. I mean, it's not that unexpected, but I guess people were really raring for those B2X coins. They knew themselves this wasn't going to take off. The futures market already decided it, 10 to 15% of an actual Bitcoin. You can't overtake and make a new Bitcoin. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. Like it or love it. Those are your options. This is good news. It's interesting what's going to happen to the market now. Is Bitcoin going to start falling off? Is the market share going to start going back to the altcoins now? Is this email even legit? I guess there's a chance it's not, but I'll leave the stuff in about the fork just in case that I filmed. But wow, Bitcoin's still smashing it though. 7,600 now. Yeah, that's quite a lot of gains actually for the altcoins. B3 coin, I was shown this. It's very interesting in terms of a quick flip. The inflation rate's ridiculous though, but I can see some people liking it. There's like, if you have a certain amount, you get 10,000% staking rewards. That's another word for staking is inflation though. Walton's recovering. Populace is through the roof. Well, it looks it. And then a few losses, but not really a lot. Honestly, I'm not going to spend too much time on the market today. We're about to see this go nuts. Something is going to happen here. NEO is up 20%. The market's already reacting potentially. IOTA, 28%. Look at these gains for good projects. So Mise, Go, Lisk. Yeah, I think the market's already reacting. Do you know what? I'm going to end this episode here. I'm going to give you the opportunity to get your stuff together, get ready, prepare, do your thing. Best of luck out there.